We're now going to move to the emission units, which are the pieces of equipment. And we can see that we have our boiler, our reciprocating engine nat gas, diesel fuel engine, the unpaved roads, piles, crusher, paint booth, non-road tailpipe, and fuel tanks. I'd like to illustrate with the boiler. You can see that there's a design capacity. It's important to fill out the design capacity for certain types of equipment, certain emission units. If you don't, it won't let you save. I'm going to illustrate that. If we take the design capacity away for this boiler and I click on the Save button, it will then illustrate at the bottom here that the emission unit design capacity is required when these various types are listed. And as you can see up here, it's type 100 boiler fuel combustion equipment. Therefore, we have to put in a design capacity. So I will go back and key in the 18 million BTU per hour. I will click on Save, and it will successfully save. Now in the emission units, if you click on the additional information, it does provide an equipment count. This can be useful if listing a number of pieces of equipment as an emission unit. An example of that would be if you had a number of space heaters. You could put the number of space heaters in this equipment count. Over on the emission unit tab, in the description, you would most likely type that it would be space heaters. And then in the additional information, you could put 12 if you had 12 space heaters, for an example. So we will go back now. And as you can see, we have the various emission units. We have the natural gas engine, the diesel fuel engine, the unpaved roads, the piles, and so forth.